Hello everybody, this is Umesh Kumar, Principal Kendriya Vidyalaya Barkakana, Ranchi region. It's very truly observed that education is the milk of a tigress and one who drinks it roars. But at a juncture when the whole world has come to stand still, struck by COVID 19, the milk is probably not available. But we needed something like STEPapp, and it came by in meantime, and children staying back at home learning their lessons, their subjects, their chapters in online mode got further feathers in their caps. It engages with children, it entertains them, and it teaches them. Based on the feedbacks from the students and children, I can understand that this app is brilliantly manufactured. It's the result of tireless work of 400 plus IITians and others, day in and day out, and that's why we can take pride in using this app, the tremendous gift to enhance online education. My students, my teachers, and their feedbacks have been very, very encouraging. And I take this opportunity to congratulate Team STEPapp in their endeavors, and I wish them luck ahead. Thank you very much.